So whose idea was it to take the alphabet and put it into maths? This is Algebra 101. Like, subscribe, let's get down into it.
Let us look at adding and subtracting like terms. Now, before we can add or subtract like terms, we need to know what these things are. So let us look at the following algebraic term. Now say we have negative 5x and we want to subtract negative 2x. First of all, we need to make sure that these are algebraic like terms. And how do we do that? We always start by checking the variable part, that is the alphabet part in our like terms. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, all the way up until Z. So now we see both of these terms have a variable of x and nothing else. So that means they are like terms, and therefore we can now look at the coefficients. So the coefficient of this first term is negative 5, and the coefficient of the second term is negative 2. So we add the coefficients, negative 5, negative 2, which gives me negative 7, and I need to remember to still add my x. So now let's look at one more slightly complicated example, and then it is your turn. So let's look at the example of 20 x squared y, and I subtract 10x squared y. Now there's not much different here, but there are powers on some of my variables. And so the variable part in this first term is x squared y, and the variable part in the second term is x squared y. And so I still need to remind myself that the variables must be exactly the same. That includes any powers. So this power of 2 over the x must be the same as the power of 2 over that x. But luckily they are the same. So let's add the coefficients. 20 subtract 10, that gives me 10, and remember my variables x squared y. Now the rest is yours to try. If you find yourself struggling, please remember to ask me. And yeah, for now, do your best and pray for the rest.